Hello, welcome to today's video. I decided to do a intro that's different from my normal ones because, yeah, I don't know why. Alright, so this look right here took me, I want to say maybe 15 minutes from face to quick outfit change to hair. I want to say maybe 15 minutes. So if you want to see a super easy but pretty glam look that's using very few products, I used lip gloss, mascara, bronzer, Stila liquid eyeshadow, brows, blush, powder, highlight, and a BB cream. So like 10 items or less. And you can really recreate this look with any products. You don't have to use the products I use. So if you want to see this look and you want to see how quickly I did it, stay tuned. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get to the video now. Alright guys, enjoy. We are going to go through this like I would go through it, as if I was actually getting ready, because I actually am getting ready. Taking some No Problem Prime Essence. And I'm just rubbing it all over my face. Alright. Now, I'm going to take a BB cream. I have a just sample. This is IPKN Moist and Firm. Interesting. Put it on the back of my hand, and I am going to use the beauty sponge here. I should dab it in. When it comes to BB and CC creams, I do not like to do my eye with it. They get in my eye and they make my eye angry. I have sensitive eyes. Yeah, y'all really up close and personal today, huh? I like using BB creams when I'm just doing like a quick look. It just kind of evens out my skin tone. It's not super heavy. But it also doesn't make me look like The Walking Dead. Alright, I am going to go in with some concealer. This is the WetnWild Photofocus concealer. Go dot there, dot, 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 dot. Dot there. Because remember, I didn't want to bring my I don't want to bring that BB cream up. Blend that in. And this will also help add some dimension to my face. Just keep blending, blending, blending. Okay, so if there's any spots I feel like need a little extra love, I will just go in with a little bit more. Not much, but I do have a few spots on my face, like right here. On my nose. My nose has been a little red lately. I think I might be getting sick. Now, if I feel like I need a little extra concealer, if you know what I mean, I'll go just in the area that I feel like I need it, and I need it today. because we are going to my mom's. It's Labor Day. We're going to my mom's, and my mom is like a photo freak. It's like, let's take pictures. Let's have pictures. And I don't like pictures where I'm not in, where I don't have at least an even skin tone, and at the very least my bag's covered. Am I right? I'm right. Okay. I'm gonna go in with some Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I'm just gonna set my under eye. Not gonna set my entire face, because the point of using a BB cream is to have a nice natural look. Now, because I do want to contour, but I don't want it to be like a super intense contour, I'm going to take some butter bronzer, sharpen up my jawline, tap just a little bit around, and then bronze and kind of contour. Also gotta make sure I bronze my neck. All right. Gonna go in with a nice fluffy brush and that butter bronzer. Okay, going with another brush. Kind of. I'm gonna go in with some Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus. Give me a nice flushed glow, but not too much. And then just kind of go over it if I feel like I went a little too heavy. Okay, go in with some Rose Gold Retro. I feel like these are perfect for just like a quick little cute look. take my Tarteist Pro Glow. So you can go into a little bit of highlighter here. Brows. Oh my gosh, I was like, what am I missing? I'm missing something. Pencil. I like to use a pencil for easy days. I need a mirror up close though. And last but not least, some lip gloss for that just effortless, pretty look. I'm gonna go do my hair and change, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I just threw on a cute little bun, changed into a comfy t-shirt, brush my teeth. I brush my teeth before I go back. We are about to leave, and we are about to go to my mom's to celebrate Labor Day. So, that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was a quick, easy, actually pretty glam look for around 10-15 minutes. Yeah, besides the brows. That's the one that took the longest, and they don't even look that great. Moving on. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I still have the giveaway that's ready to go. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Me and Mac are gonna go, right? Time to go. Husband will be going as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.